Do 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 do. I'm gonna do a couple more integrals before we go. I mean, obviously we're gonna have to do a bunch of ODEs as well, but I want to do one like this at least. And then we have one more that we have to make sure we cover. What do you think here? I like dramatic pauses. Yeah. You've only got 2 techniques, so if you're not sure, just pick one and commit. What do I want you to be? Whatever the inside function is. So that makes du equal to negative, I'm going to remember that minus sign, 2x dx. So du over negative 2x is equal to dx. So this is equal to the integral of x cubed root u, and that dx is equal to du over negative 2x. All right? Yeah. So I can simplify this. I'll pull that negative 1/2 out front. Once again, the x in the denominator will cancel with one of the x's in the numerator, and I'll be left with x squared root u du. Now, I'm kind of stuck here, right? Because I'm not allowed to have an integral in terms of 2 different variables. That's not okay. What do I do next? Oh! What did you say? Nope, nope, nope. Don't turn around like I'm talking to somebody else. I'm talking to you. Yep. No, 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 no. The woman in front of you with the awesome head wrap. Yes.
You're going to solve for u and then plug in x squared.
Perfect. Yeah. It was also fantastic because you had this like knowing smile, like you were like, oh yeah, this is nice. I appreciated that. So x squared is equal to u minus 1. Maybe? Wait. 1 minus u. 1 minus u. I got this. There we go. But now I can plug in that for x squared right here. So this integral equals negative 1/2 times the integral of 1 minus u times root u du. I can distribute that 1/2 and remember how exponents work. Sure, we all are remembering that. And then it's u to the first times u to the 1/2, so u to the 1.5. I'll do it that way. Du. And just because everyone here hates fractions, and I'll be consistent. So now I have Why do you look angry?
I'm just looking.
Okay. You're looking angrily, though.
Wait, how did you get the 1.5?
I have u to the first times u to the 0.5. And when you're multiplying things to the same base, you add exponents. Remember that the square root of u is the same as u to the 1/2.
Why is it u to 0.5?
So this guy is u to the 0.5. And then I distribute it to the 1 and then to the u. It was a very weak, but everybody good with this simplification? You hate this, you love this. Hate this. All right. But now that we've gotten here, if we can all agree at this point, we take the exponents, bump them up by 1, and multiply by the reciprocal. So u to the 1.5 now, over 1.5, minus u to the 2.5 now, over 2.5. And I can throw a plus c at the end. And now I'm going to shrink this. So that I can rewrite this as negative 1/2. U equals 1 minus x squared. Minus u equals 1 minus x squared to the 2.5 over 2.5 plus c. And now I'm done. Professor Leopold's class, I'm not sure if she would want you to go any further than this, but I hope not. My class definitely doesn't have to go any further than this, though. I am 100% there. Right. If you want to, power to you, but ain't nobody got time for that. All right? How are we doing?